So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 in blue jeans and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away. So the number to chain, it depends how big is your table, but I'm gonna chain a number which fits for my countertop. So I'm gonna chain 40. You can make more or less depending how thick you want the table runner to be. So I'm gonna make a slip knot and chain 40. So on the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. I'm gonna skip 2 and 3 double crochet, all in one chain. Skip 2, 3 double crochet in the following chain. I will repeat the same till the end of the row, and I will show you what to do at the end of the row exactly. Skip 2, 3 double crochet. So here I'm at the end of the chain. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in the last stitch after I skip 2, of course. Chain 2 and turn my chain this way. In the same chain, 3 double crochet again. Chain 2 and again in the same chain 3 double crochet. So this is the shaping of the granny rectangle. Okay, gonna just tighten. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. So now under the previous 3 double crochet, I will crochet 3 double crochet more. So these are the previous 3 double crochet. In this loop I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, and the same under every cluster or 3 double crochet till the end of the row again. So here I'm at the end of the row again, and this is the initial 3 double crochet with the chain 3. In the same chain I'm gonna add 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, the same as the previous corner. Chain 2 and join to the first chain over here. That's it. And now everything will be repetitive. So in these corners we have 4 corners, here and here. So it's gonna be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in every row, and in these spaces just 3 double crochet throughout the work till you get the length or the width you want of your table runner. So now I'm gonna chain 3, and I will start with the next space where I'm gonna do 3 double crochet, and I'm gonna repeat the same in every space. Oops. So this initial chain 3 will be part of this last double crochet in the space, corner space. So I'll come back and show you how I work the corners. So here I'm at the first corner. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And I'm gonna repeat in the next corner. And then I'll continue as the above, 3 double crochet in every space. So I will be repeating the same in every row till I obtain the, like I said, the length or width required of my project. So I'll just finish the certain number of this pattern, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So this is the finished look of the table runner and how it looks like. I have done 9 rows of the blue color, 4 rows of the dark gray or charcoal, and 2 rows of the dark green. And this is the end result. You can make it bigger or smaller. As I mentioned in the beginning, you can make a longer chain if you want, a longer rectangle granny table runner, or you can leave it this size. It's up to you. Also, if you want to have it larger and lighter, you can use a larger crochet hook with the same medium worsted yarn. I have used 5.5 here, but you can use up to 8 if you want, depends on your liking. And that's it. You'll find the written pattern linked in the description box, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.